Hey guys, it's Ivy, and we're going in the Dollar Tree. This is my fave. Time to find some bread and see what other goodies they have in here for us. Plus, I have to refill my cookies up. Oh, these are the peanut butter bar clusters. Then the Gardenia. Those are not, but they got tons of. Oh, wow. Okay, it's a really weird smell in here, yeah. Ugh, smells terrible. Like somebody let loose. Oh, we got the cookie tin. Oh, gotta grab some of those. I just want like one or two to go up under the tree. Wow. Okay. Real. That's cute. I like that. Cookie pins. Yes, it is the most wonderful time of the year. Okay. Oh, that must say North Pole. Okay, guys, I cleaned out my mailboxes. So no mailboxes. But I see some houses. Oh, look at that. They houses. I'm gonna get one. Oh, there's some mailboxes, but they. Yeah, I don't like that one. I like the box one. So here's another one. These are gift boxes. Let me see, what's this? Oh, and that's just a regular box. My mother, I swear to God, she would get just a regular box. She has the things with boxes. Meet me under the mistletoe. Who would you get a bag to? Oh, that's cute. I feel like that's cute. La, 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 la. Oh, the gift bag. That's made out of something. So they got bowls. Let's see. Oh, I need a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty. No, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Hot cocoa. That's fabrics. So that's that middle aisle, guys. Now we're gonna start here where all of the detergents and everything is at. And oh, I didn't tell you guys, for the dishwasher tabs, like they completely just removed them. I've been to 3 Dollar Trees and I can't find any of them. So remember I showed you those last week. Oh guys, this right here, it works good. I used it. It works. Now see this guys, this here for $1. My mom told me a story about this, and she was telling me how this used to be like a big detergent, and now all of a sudden it's in the dollar store. So if anybody tried this before, let me know how it works. And a pork loin chop. Yeah, that's okay. So that was all they afraid of. What is those? Oh, those mango chunks. So they do have the little Tennessee sausage stuff. And they have the bologna. Okay, guys, you know what I'm getting to. OMG, it's not here. No bread. No bread. It's chips. Maybe the bread. Oh, you know what she said? The bread don't come in till after 5. So, y'all see, no bread. Okay, so, oh, let me tell you guys, I did get these rolls. They were good. These worked really good, and they were good. And my kids also liked these, the little tiny Ellie's mini crust rolls. Those were good also. So, and I use these all the time for my tacos. And I put these on the table for Thanksgiving, and they got 8. So I assumed they were good. Well, look, guys. Let me pull the coupons out. General meal. Here we go. So I'm going to grab, I only have 2 coupons with me, guys. So I'm going to grab 4 boxes, okay? Okay, and of course, you know, I'll show you all the coupons, right? Okay. So that's another. Look at that. It's a lot of them, though. And I just feel like I need to get a lot of them because my kids eat a lot of cereal. So I came here for bread. This one. Okay, I'm going to pick up another one of these, and I'm going to get a butter flavor one this time with it, okay? Yeah, I got to remember to come after 5. That's Gatorade. Okay. Oh, they got spray bottles, good cleaning bottles. So that was a good one, guys. Oh my God, I'm so happy I found those cereal. Whew. This is the store before I found the other cereal at. So you could find these, you gotta search for them. Look at all these silver paint. Mrs. Fields, they got up here now. Miss Fields cookies. Let's go down this aisle. Let's go to the cookie aisle. It was some calendars though. I got one set of calendars. I'm looking for the other one. But I'm also looking for these Keebler boxes. So I need 4 more of those. And I did not tell you guys the story that my husband had the kids. He kept the boys all weekend while we went shopping or whatever. They ate the cookies. I scrapped up 3 more things of Keebler coupons. But I said, oh my God, why did you eat those? Oh, why not? Let me see if they got any new body wash. Nope. This coupon should be coming back soon. And I keep telling you guys, sooner or later, that lever coupon that we had worked on these. But I didn't know it. Well, I think I did say something about it worked. But I had the police that, the coupon police was with me. So I knew I wasn't going to be able to get it. But so next time we get a lever, just go in and try one. If it work, it work. If it don't, it don't. Don't worry about it. Just take it out. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. And that $2 coupon worked. I do not have any more coupons. Because y'all know when I show y'all that, after that, I go try and clean all mine out right then and there. The Halls coupon still work. Let me see if I got it. Okay. Got my Ricola. I'm going to grab 2 Ricolas. Right here. So this is becoming my favorite aisle. Okay. My little one didn't like these. Oh, here's a different one. Here's one shaped different. You go around the ear, so I'm going to get this one. So they do have the ones that's shaped a little different. It say one size fit all, but I don't believe it. But, guys, perfect for stuffers. So, you know, guys, I fill up my cart with Dollar Tree stuff. All my little baskets. Let's go down this way and see what they got. Okay, I found them. Look, it says Blast Laundry. Oh, and then here's a welcome. I'll get that one. And then I think these will go good if you make like different things with. And they'll go good in these boxes. Oh, there's a coffee. Okay, so I get that one. I like that. Coffee cash. Perfect. treat fund and saving for a unicorn. Oh, those are all cute. I like all of those, and those are new finds because they were not here last week. Okay, that's cute. I like all of those. What is this? Wow, a candle making set. Do it yourself. Let's see. Wicker jar with granules, creative pattern, trim, light, and nursery candle. That's a good gift. Oh wow. Oh, okay, what's these? Oh, those are little drawers. Look. Okay. I'm gonna get this one. Coffee Cash. And this is a part of their last minute gifts. So you got keychains. What's this? A screen cleaner. Made out of a little ducky. Okay. I got USBs, phone cables. Let's see. Smartwatch screen guard. We got a lot of little phone stuff. What's these? This is a phone holder. Oh, it holds your phone. That's cute too. Okay. What is that? A stand and support a smartwatch. Okay. Alright. Last minute gifts, guys. Last minute gifts. Okay, there's another one. Okay, guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul with me and couponing. If so, drop me a subscribe, like, and drop me a comment. If you want me to really go over and review the stuff I got, I will. But since people don't ask me, I don't do it. I'll leave you guys with a little ASMR, and I'm going to go out the door, and I'll see you in the next video. Home goods shopping video, guys. That's what it's going to be. Dropping 3 o'clock.